Hi guys, welcome to Pearl TV. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make cassava cake, okay? You need to have cheese, the regular cheese, the cassava, grated cassava, the eggs, and the Nestle cream. You need to have the evaporated milk, okay? You need to have the condensed milk. You need to have the eggs. By the way guys, this is my own recipe guys, okay? So prepare a bigger mixing bowl guys. Put the cassava in the mixing bowl. Okay. Ensure that the mixing bowl is clean before putting all the ingredients. Okay. You need to have a spatula guys. Then you can pour the Nestle cream guys. Pour the Nestle cream. Then after pouring the Nestle cream, you can pour the condensed milk. But to ensure that you can make a yummy cassava cake guys, just pour the half content of the cassava, of the condensed milk, okay? Only half the can, okay? Kasi magiging sobrang sweet na siya kung uubusin mo siya, guys. By the way, guys, that cassava, grated cassava is 4 cups. Okay, 4 cups. That is my own version. Okay, next is you can put the evaporated milk, guys. You can pour the 3/4. 3/4 of that is 1 cup of milk, evaporated milk guys. Okay, so next you can put the egg, the 3 eggs guys. Ensure that the egg is good before pouring it to the mixture. Okay, 3 eggs. Ensure that the egg is good guys. Break it first into the small bowl. Okay, then afterwards, you can add cheese in order for the mixture to become not that sweet, okay? Ayan guys, grate nyo yung cheese. Okay. And afterwards, pwede nyo na siyang i-mix. Haluin natin guys ng maigi para talagang mag-incorporate yung lasa ng egg, ng milk, 'di ba? Kasi 3 milk 'yun, guys eh. So make it sure na mag-ano talaga yung lasa niya. You can use wire whisk or electric mixer, okay? I also have electric mixer but during that time I feel very lazy to get the electric mixer sa taguan ba. Ayan. So you can mix that all together. And then afterwards, you prepare baking pan, okay? Square size of baking pan will do. Okay, so ensure that the butter is clean. Remove the mga impurities. If you can see, mga anik-anik siyaan. Remove. Okay, so meron ako dyang 30 by 30 na baking pan, guys. Or 30 by 25 by 25 cm if I'm not mistaken, guys. Tapos you need to have wax paper, guys. I-shape niyo yung wax paper. Put a lining of wax paper doon sa baking pan nyo. Para no need na maglagay kayo ng mantika or any butter sa pan. Okay, so ganyan lang guys. Guys, ilapat nyo po yung wax paper sa baking pan. Okay, wag naman sobra-sobra, tamang lagay lang para ma-cover yung cake, okay? Para maliningan yung cake para hindi siya dumikit sa aluminum. Okay, so now you can pour the butter. Okay, the butter is what we call the mixture of the cake. Okay, so ayan guys, you need to use spatula para simutin nyo guys using the spatula kasi sayang eh. Okay, so nalagay na natin guys yung butter. So ganyanin nyo guys para ma-ensure na yung cassava talagang na-distribute nyo throughout the pan guys. Kasi pangit na kung naiipon yung cassava sa gitna, maglulobo siya pag binibake nyo na siya guys. Okay, so ayan. Tingnan nyo guys, yung oven ko, dugyot. Luma na kasi guys, luma na yung oven ko. Kahit nililinisan ko siya sa loob, ang hirap na linisin. Okay, so tingnan nyo yung mga sapusa na balahibo, nakikita. Pero sa labas lang naman yan, pero ayan. Ayan guys, nire-ready ko na yan guys kasi yan yung pang topping guys ng ano eh. Pang toppings ko yan ng kasaba. After maluto na siya ng half, ipupull out natin yung guys. Ipupull out. I-ready lang natin guys yung ano. Yung oven this time is nire-ready natin for 350 degree Fahrenheit or in degrees Celsius, 170 degrees to 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, yung oven. So, pag na-reach nyo na yun, ilagay nyo na. Ayan. As you can see guys, na-reach nyo na 350 degrees. Okay? Na-reach nyo na yung 350 degrees. Ayan. Ilagay nyo na. As you can see, ayan. Half cook na siya. Pwede nyo nang i-pull out guys. Pull out nyo na siya pag half cook na po. Kasi ang gagawin natin ay ilalagay na natin yung toppings. Okay? The toppings, ayan, as you can see is half cook na siya almost. Or 3/4 part of the cake is cooked. So, ilalagay ko na guys yung mixture of condensed milk. Yung kalahating condensed milk guys. Half of the can of the condensed milk. Tsaka yung isang itlog. I-ano ko siya sa surface. Siya yung magiging toppings. Okay? So, mamaya, tatapingan ko pa yan ng cheese. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. So, nagbubuo-buo na yung ano. So, ganun siya guys. So, ayusin nyo na lang guys yung ano nyo, wax paper. Okay. Yan guys, naiisipan kong kumain ng masarap, gagawin ko. Favorite yung kasaba kasi medyo matrabaho siya guys. Pwede, pinambi-business ko din yan minsan guys, nagpa-order ako. Ayan. So, ibabalik na natin ulit siya sa ano. Ingat lang kayo guys kasi sobrang init yan. Okay, so alright. Lagay na natin. Ibalik na natin sa oven guys. This time guys, yung flame niya sa ibabaw na po. Okay? Or, ayan, tingnan na. Ayan. As you can see, nasa ibabaw na yung ano, yung apoy. Kanina, na niluluto ko siya ng 3/4 cook. Nasa ilalim yan. Gusto ko kasing lutuin yung topping. So, time, luto na siya. Yummy. Okay? So, kapag luto na siya, nakikita nyo, masarap niyan guys. Medyo crispy yung surface niya. So, kung kaya nyo ma-achieve yun, so yun, as you can see, ayan na siya. Nagutom tuloy ako guys. So, napakasarap ng kasaba cake na yun ni Ma'am Shi guys. Maraming umu-order niyan sa akin. Kapag sumisipag. Pero this time, hindi na. Medyo busy ako eh. So, ayan. Yummy kasaba cake. At saka nakakapagod yan guys. Kaya mag-presyo ako yan, medyo mahal. So, ayan. Enough ko na guys. Dahil ipo-pull out ko na siya. Lalagay ko na sa table. At lalagyan ko siya guys ng cheese. Okay. So, luto na siya. So, ang gagawin ni Ma'am Shi, lalagyan na natin ng grated cheese. Okay? Grated so, yun guys. Kung hindi na siya mainit, pwede na nating ilagay yung grated cheese. Maganda kasi na makikita natin yung ano. Siya, parang pang final garnish natin guys, yung grated cheese. Okay? I just only use the regular cheese, the Eden cheese. Ayan. So, ayan nga guys. Okay? Wait na natin guys. The more cheese, the yummier. Okay? Ayan. Pwede nyong pang negosyo yan guys. Try nyo guys. Hindi naman ganun kamahalan ang ingredients. Kung kagaya ko na mahilig kayo magpara luto-luto ba. Gusto nyo kumain ng sarap, syempre magastos din. Siguro ko, abutin siya ng ano, mga 400 I think. Pero kung ininegosyo nyo, like gusto nyo inegosyo para at least kahit papano, may pagkakitaan kayo sa bahay nyo, try nyo guys, pwede kayong kumita. That is a special cake guys So, ayan guys, yung sa photo na yan, yung mga kapitbahay ko dati, nakatikim, nagustuhan nila. So, nagpa-order ako nung Christmas ba yun? Or New Year? I think Christmas and New Year, okay? Nagustuhan nila yan guys. Umorder sila niyan.
Hindi
For
siya
ano,
tinipid.
ganun, ang bigay ko 100 lang. So, ayan,
Isang
itong batch na to
piraso.
na kumakain ako,
Try
iba
muna
yan.
ako.
Yan yung pasample ko.
So, tingnan nyo guys yung kasama
At
cake.
nagusto, yan yung may bisita ako, yung friend ko
Ayan,
from
kasama.
Bicol, pumunta dito at ginawan ko ng
Ganda ng
special
pagkano
din.
guys, oh.
Ayan.
Siyempre, nagano ako
as
ng
you can
coffee,
see,
black coffee.
may
para
kapartner na kape, the best,
Merienda
perfect
time
siya
for
guys.
me.
Okay, so talagang sobrang yummy yan guys. Diba? Kasi paborito ko kasi talaga yan guys eh. Like banana cake, mga cakes sa mga, alam mo yung mga conventional na mga ingredients, mga, ayan, so tingnan nyo guys, ganyan. Diba? Ganyan yung packaging guys. Marami kasi ako mga container guys na nanganyan. Kasi way back. Thank you so much guys for watching. At I hope nagka-idea kayo guys. Ganyan packaging kikita kayo. I sell it for 100 pesos. Okay? So, yun lang. Trip ko lang. Libangan ko lang pag naisipan ko. Last December pa yan. Okay? Bye. Thanks for watching. God bless.